Don't worry about what others are doing. Focus on your growth and see how easy everything becomes. Osho, the power of authenticity. Find ease in your own path. Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey of self-discovery and inner growth, inspired by Osho's wise words. Don't worry about what others are doing. Focus on your growth and see how easy everything becomes. In this video, we invite you to explore the importance of connecting with your true essence and following your own path rather than comparing and competing with others. Discover how confidence can bring ease and fulfillment into your life. Releasing comparison and competition. We live in a society that encourages us to constantly compare ourselves to others. However, this relentless pursuit of equality and success can take us away from our true essence. Let's explore how comparison and competition can trap us and impede our personal growth. By freeing ourselves from these chains, we make room to focus on our own growth and development. We will discover that each of us is unique, with individual talents, passions, and purposes. The importance of connecting with your trust, and if you know yourself deeply, you can discover your true desires and values, allowing you to follow a path that is your official one. As you embrace your confidence, you will find a sense of trust and congruence, which you will find your journey easier and more rewarding. Learn from others without comparing yourself. While it's important not to compare ourselves to others, that doesn't mean we can't learn from them. Explore how we can be inspired by the experiences and wisdom of others without getting lost in the comparison. By adopting a learning and growing mindset, we can benefit from the lessons and insights of others while remaining true to ourselves. Finding ease in your own way. When we focus on our own growth and go our own way, we discover a sense of ease and fluidity. Confidence and assurance with our true essence allow us to overcome challenges more easily. By connecting with our passion and purpose, we find an inner strength that drives us forward and helps us overcome obstacles with confidence and resilience. Cultivating self-compassion and acceptance. As we focus on our personal growth, it's important to remember to be kind and compassionate with ourselves. Explore self-compassion and acceptance. By allowing ourselves to be human and accepting our flaws and imperfections, we create a space for growth and transformation. Self-compassion helps us face challenges with a more positive and loving attitude, making our journey easier and more fulfilling. By following Osho's inspiring advice, we can find ease and fulfillment in our lives. By focusing on our own growth and confidence, we free ourselves from comparison and competition, making room for a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Remember that you are unique and have a special path to follow. As you accept your acceptance, you will find a sense of ease and fluidity, allowing you to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. May each of you find the courage to go your own way and discover the ease and joy that comes with wonder. The power to transform your life is in your hands. Dear viewers, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to all of you who took the time to watch this video. I hope you found inspiration and value in the words and ideas shared along this journey. We firmly believe that the dissemination of knowledge and the search for personal improvement are fundamental for individual and collective growth. And that's why we ask you, our dear viewers, to help us respect this message. If you liked this video and felt that it brought some benefit to your life, we humbly ask you to leave a like and share it with your friends, family, and on your social networks. By doing this, you will be confident that more people will have access to these transformed ideas. Also, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, we invite you to subscribe right now. That way, you'll get notifications whenever we release new videos, ensuring you don't miss out on any learning and growth opportunities. We remind you that every action you take, whether it's a like, a share, or a subscription, has a significant impact on our work and motivates us to continue producing quality content for you. Again, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your continued support. Together, we can create a community of people committed to self-development and the pursuit of excellence. Until the next video. With gratitude, Clear Sky Channel.